Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I will show you how to get 1000 views for your YouTube videos in one day. So let's start. First of all, we will go to hill2pets.com. I already sign up, so first you have to log in your account. Here you can see so many countries you can get views from. So we will first go to add funds. Here you can add funds through wire transfer, Maxim, Visa Pay, USDT and Bitcoin. The minimum amount you can deposit is $50. Now we will go to manage campaigns. Scroll down. Here you can see add campaign. See, the first option is add format. So we will select pop desktop is the expensive one, but it's better for YouTube videos views. We will select desktop. It's a mainstream high activity. You can also select medium. For example, camp. The name is views. Here we will paste YouTube video link, not channel link, YouTube video link. Scroll down. Here you can select how many days. So I will select one day. Scroll down. Targeting countries. We will select any country. Tier 1 is the expensive one. It's from UK, US, European countries. Asia. We will select Europe. Okay, now browser. You can select any browser from which you can get views. So there is no need to select any browser. Same as OS. You can select language, any language. For example, I will search for English. Here you can see, but there is no need to select. We will scroll down. You can set the schedule. It's a time zone. There are so many options you can select. As many options as you select, the rate will be higher. See, now we can get 1.16 CPM. It's mean for 1000 views $1.16. So after that you will just add campaign. So it's showing empty URL. So first you have to add your funds here, and this is the best method. You can get 1000 views for your YouTube videos. Thank you so much for watching.